Hello, this is Kelly with Xima Software. In this tutorial, you'll learn about the Consolidated Login feature for Xima CCaaS. Please note that this feature enhancement is introduced with version 4.2.8G and newer. Historically, when logging into Xima CCaaS as an agent or a manager, you would need to log into two different locations. Moving forward, you'll use the same URL for all of them, and based on your credentials, it'll take you to the appropriate place. Note at the top, I no longer have to do the /web or /cc agent. I just use the URL which was provided to you upon installation. If I want to sign in as a manager, I'll put my credentials down below and select Login. I am now logged in as a manager and can run reports, edit wallboards, and manage my teams. If I need to sign in as an agent using the agent client, from the same login screen, I will select my agent and type in my password, which again by default is their extension. As you can see, it logged me into the agent client instead of the manager tool. Next, we'll show you how to log in as a supervisor who can also be an agent. If I were a supervisor who was also a part of a skill group, my sign-in would be slightly different, and I'll show you how. I can no longer sign in with just my extension and password as my extension. It will detect that I have an email address that's utilized as my UC login as well as my user account that match. So if I have a user account in Xima CCaaS, I need to use the same password for that user account and press login. Now, as a supervisor, I can run reports, I can view supervisor view, but if I need to become an agent as well, I'll select the icon on the left and then choose Agent Client. That will sign me into my client as an agent without having to re-enter my credentials. Finally, if I'm an administrator and I want to get to the admin UI, I can do so from here. I will log in as an administrator with my appropriate password. Then on the left, I'm going to select Desktop Client. If I do not have the client installed, this screen will appear and I'll be able to download the client to install on my local PC. Simply follow the instructions and when prompted, enter in the URL address that you used to sign in. If the client was already installed on my machine, it will automatically load to this screen here, so as an administrator, I can make settings changes. It's that easy.